Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 1 IAL EDEXCEL question paper, question number 5, and this is part D of the question. Prepare the manufacturing account extract showing the prime cost of manufacture for the month of December 2025. So we are supposed to prepare the manufacturing account, okay, for the month of December. So you'll put the heading. So you should know what is the format for manufacturing account. So manufacturing account consists of calculating this prime cost. So we have three parts. So cost of raw material consumed. First, what is the cost of raw material consumed? Then what is the labor cost? What is the labor cost of production? Okay, so what is the raw material consumed during production? Okay, in production. Okay, you can write cost of raw materials consumed in production, then the total labor cost in production, and then if at all you have here, they are saying some other costs also there involved in production, other costs. Okay, that is other costs involved in production. So these are the things you will add up, and that total cost is called as a prime cost. So that is called as a prime cost, which we had to calculate. Now what was the cost of the raw materials consumed in production? So this we had already calculated. Okay, the cost of raw materials consumed, okay, was equal to here 7,000, the total value of the issues to the production at the FIFO inventory cost we had calculated. Here we had used FIFO inventory. Okay, this was a FIFO inventory valuation which we had calculated in the part B of the question. So the total value of the issues will be calculated at the basis of first in first out, and so we had calculated the issues to the production at those rates, and the total inventory cost of raw materials consumed was 7,910. Okay, this was the total value of the raw material consumed. So that we will write it here. Okay, the total value of raw material consumed. Then we were asked to calculate cost of production, total labor cost. Here we had calculated in the part 2 what was the total labor cost of production. That is 18,160 was the total labor cost which was involved in the production for the month of December. Then we will have to see what is the other costs incurred. Other costs of 2,900 pounds were incurred by the production department during the December, of which 70% was direct. So 70% of, okay, so 70% of 2,900, not the entire is included, because only direct cost which is related to production alone should be included. Everything has to do with production. So 70%, that is 0.7 times 2,900, that is going to be equal to 2030 pounds. So 2030 pounds. So now let's add up the total cost. So the total cost will be 7,910 plus 18,160 plus 2030. So that is equal to 28,100. So 28,100 pounds will be the prime cost. Okay, this is going to be your prime cost which you will calculate in the manufacturing